What is up, everybody? Jason, aka Jester, and today we're going to continue our budget cooking series with another meal under 20 bucks. Today, this is going to be something a little bit different. We're going to be a little more creative and kind of do a cross-continental thing, but I think it's going to come out just fine, and I can't wait to get into it. So let's get out the flat top, and I'll show you what we're doing. And I really hope you guys enjoy when I bring you this kind of stuff, because I love doing experiments like this. This one I'm not completely sure how it's going to come out, but I mean, that's the whole point of doing experiments. There's not a whole lot of money on this right now either. 20 bucks or less, and again, this is going to feed a couple of people. So with inflation being what it is, definitely something to think about. What we're going to be trying today is we're going to be trying to do a sausage, pepper, and onion stir fry. I know it sounds like a weird combination, but for some reason I think it's just going to work. We're basically going to start with these udon stir fry noodles from Kami. These are actually already cooked. All we have to do is open the package, put them right on the flat top when everything's just about done, and get them warmed up. It's going to take probably just 2 or 3 minutes at that. The sausage we're going to be using is just a basic Eckrich smoked sausage. We chunked it down into little discs. And then we're going to be sauteing some multicolored peppers here, red, yellow, and green, as well as our onions. Of course, we're going to be doing that with our whirl that we showed you in a video previous. This stuff is going to be instrumental for my cooking. The sauce today is a Yoshida's Sweet Teriyaki Gourmet Marinade / cooking sauce. This is something I've never tried before. We're probably going to be really cautious as to how much we add. It's probably going to end up being a lot like the soy sauce when we made the chicken fried rice, to where I can always go back and add more later, but you can't take it away. So I think what we'll do is we'll try to get a nice color, and then we'll go from there. All that being said, let me get this thing fired up, and I'll show you the first step, which is going to be the peppers and onions. So as you can see, we just dropped down our peppers and onions, and we put just a little bit of that butter whirl right over the top. The idea here is to get these into an al dente state. I want these to still have a little bit of snap. I do not want them to be like a fajita pepper and onion, to where it's really just completely flimsy and all the way cooked. Also, you guys can add whatever you'd like to this. If you wanted to put in some broccoli or cauliflower or whatever you think goes really good in a stir fry, definitely do that. This is just what was requested here at the house today. The next step that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take some of my sausage, because I'm reserving this because I don't like peppers and onions, so I'm going to leave that for a later one. But we're going to start that cooking. I am going to add just a touch of the whirl, just for conducive cooking there. You don't want to put too much on it. And basically the idea here is just to get this warm. And I think at the same time what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our noodles to get them kind of warming. We'll put those right over the top. And that way when we go to turn them, we'll put the teriyaki on it. And that shouldn't take more than just a minute or two. So now that we got that all going in there, I think it's time that we add a little bit of our marinade. And I shook this up a little bit. And again, guys, you can always add more of this, but you cannot take it away. So I would say treat it like you would with soy or anything else. I'm going to start about there. We'll see if we need to add a little more. At this point, I'm going to bring back in the peppers and onions. I'm going to throw a bunch of those over the top of this. And then we're basically just going to start turning and burning until those noodles loosen up. That shouldn't take more than just a couple of minutes to get everything hot. I'll be right back and show you guys the finished plate. And when all is said and done and everything is good and hot and the noodles are all broken down, this is what you're going to end up with. This looks lovely. I can't wait to get in here and give it a try. Definitely this was requested for the house, like I said, to where Dad just really likes peppers and onions. I'm probably going to go with a dumbed down version of this for myself. But like I said, it looks great. Hopefully you guys like this kind of content. If you like these type of experiments, leave me a comment. Hit the like button for me. And definitely think about subscribing, because there's so much more to come in the weeks and months coming up. I can't stop having ideas. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.